strolls its beat. Whispers of the evening breeze tickle every tree. In this world it's you I see. Your laughter sets me free. Coffee shops and corner stores, footprints on cobblestone. With every glance, every pause, I know I'm not alone. Melodies of mellow tunes drifting through the air. In your eyes I find my tune, a love beyond compare. Golden days, they're calling, with promises so sweet. In your love, I'm falling, a rhythm in each heartbeat. Together we're a symphony on this lo-fi serenade. She'll hope in our reverie, where dreams and hearts parade. Sidewalk chalk and gentle rain, painting memories of whispered love, of joy and